Have you ever wondered what the most poisonous creature on Earth is? Today, we're embarking on an intriguing journey into the realm of dangerous creatures, with a spotlight on their venomous capabilities. But before we jump in, let's clear up a common misconception. You see, poisonous and venomous aren't interchangeable terms. A creature is poisonous when its toxins are harmful if ingested or touched, while venomous creatures deliver their toxins actively, often through a bite or a sting. Now that we've got that covered, prepare to venture into a world where survival often hinges on the potency of a creature's poison or venom. We'll be counting down the top 10 most poisonous creatures on Earth, from the ones that just give you a fright, to those that can send you to the afterlife in a matter of minutes. So, buckle up and hold on tight as we dive into the world of these fascinating yet deadly creatures. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the poison dart frog. This ostentatiously colored creature, found mostly in Central and South America's tropical forests, is as deadly as it is beautiful. Don't let its small size fool you. Each vibrant hue on its skin is a stark warning to predators, signaling danger and toxicity. The poison dart frog's name isn't just for show. Indigenous tribes have long utilized its lethal poison, known as batracha toxin, to tip their hunting darts, hence the moniker. This poison, once it enters the bloodstream, can cause paralysis and even death. Despite its lethal reputation, the poison dart frog doesn't produce its poison independently. It's believed that they derive their toxicity from their diet, mainly ants and beetles, which contain the necessary precursors for the frog to produce batracha toxin. While this tiny amphibian might seem harmless at first glance, make no mistake about it. Despite its small size, the poison dart frog carries enough poison to deter any predator. Slithering into number 9 is the Deathstalker scorpion. Now, don't be fooled by its small size. This arachnid, also known as the Israeli yellow scorpion, calls the deserts of the Middle East and North Africa home. It's recognized by its slender tail and pincers, but it's the venom that really sets it apart. The Deathstalker scorpion's venom is a cocktail of neurotoxins. It's potent enough to cause severe pain, fever, convulsions, and in rare cases even death. Interestingly, it's not all bad news. This venom has shown potential in medical research. It contains peptides that could help treat brain tumors and diabetes. However, extracting it is a risky business. But remember, this is no friendly neighborhood scorpion. Its sting is extremely painful and particularly dangerous for children and the elderly. Encounters should be avoided at all costs. Small but deadly, the Deathstalker scorpion is not an adversary you'd want to encounter. Swimming into number 8, we have the blue-ringed octopus. This tiny yet formidable creature hails from the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly around Australia and Japan. With a size no bigger than a golf ball, its vibrant blue rings are a sight to behold. But don't be deceived, these rings illuminate as a warning when threatened. This small octopus carries enough venom to paralyze and even kill a human. Its venom, known as tetrodotoxin, is 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. There is no known antidote. If bitten, a person may experience muscle weakness, difficulty breathing, and ultimately, total body paralysis. The most astonishing part? The bite of a blue-ringed octopus is often painless. Many victims don't even realize they've been bitten until the symptoms start to appear. It's a chilling reminder that beauty can sometimes mask a deadly reality. Don't let its beautiful rings fool you. The blue-ringed octopus is one of the sea's most dangerous creatures. Crawling into number 7 is the cone snail. This seemingly harmless creature, known for its beautifully decorated shell, is a silent killer lurking in the tropical seas. The cone snail is not your average garden variety. It's a marine snail, found in warm and tropical seas around the world. This creature's beauty masks an ominous secret, a venom potent enough to take down multiple humans with just a single drop. That's right, the cone snail is a venomous creature, and its venom, a complex cocktail of toxins, is used to paralyze its prey. But when humans come into contact with this venom, the results can be lethal. The cone snail uses a harpoon-like tooth to deliver its venom, which is capable of causing severe pain, paralysis, and in some cases, death. And what's even more terrifying is that there's currently no anti-venom available. So next time you're out shell collecting, beware of the beautifully decorated but deadly cone snail. The cone snail, a slow-moving but fatal creature. At number 6, we have the stonefish. This creature, while not immediately striking in appearance, carries a deadly secret. The stonefish is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly with the ocean floor, looking like just another rock or a piece of coral. but step on this fish and you're in for a world of hurt. The stonefish is armed with 13 sharp dorsal spines, each laced with a potent venom. This venom is so lethal that it can cause severe pain, paralysis, and even death if not treated promptly. It's a silent but deadly predator, lying in wait for its prey. When an unsuspecting fish swims by, the stonefish strikes with lightning speed, swallowing its prey in less than a blink of an eye. So next time you're wading through shallow waters, watch your step. You wouldn't want to cross paths with this camouflaged assassin. The stonefish, an example of how appearances can be deceiving. Sliding in at number 5, we have the king cobra. Now this is no ordinary snake, it's the world's longest venomous snake with a length that can reach up to 18 feet. The king cobra calls the forests of India and Southeast Asia its home. A master of its domain, the king cobra is revered and feared for its potent venom. This is not just any venom, it's a neurotoxin capable of bringing down an elephant. In a single bite, this snake can deliver enough venom to kill 20 people or even one elephant. That's right, one bite is all it takes. The fatality rate from a king cobra bite is alarmingly high. Without immediate medical attention, the mortality rate can be as high as 75%. With its intimidating presence and deadly bite, the king cobra has certainly earned its royal title in the snake kingdom. The king cobra, truly the king of venomous snakes. At number 4, the marbled cone snail makes its appearance. This creature is a paradox of nature, being both stunningly beautiful and incredibly deadly. The marbled cone snail is easily recognizable by its intricate marble-like shell, which is often collected by unwary beachgoers. However, this seemingly harmless snail is one of the most venomous creatures on the planet. Its venom, a potent cocktail of toxins, is delivered through a harpoon-like tooth that can pierce through gloves and wetsuits. A single drop of this venom can be powerful enough to kill 20 adult humans. The real kicker? There is no antivenom available for a marbled cone snail sting. If stung, medical help should be sought immediately, but the only treatment is to support the victim's life functions until the venom wears off. It's a chilling reminder that the most dangerous creatures often come in the most beautiful packages. The marbled cone snail, beautiful but deadly. Floating into number 3 is the box jellyfish. This gelatinous specter is not your typical beach buddy. Native to the warm coastal waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, it's considered one of the most venomous marine animals on the planet. Shrouded in a nearly transparent body, the box jellyfish is a stealthy predator. It uses its long, slender tentacles, which can reach up to 10 feet in length, to ensnare its prey. Each tentacle is lined with thousands of specialized cells known as cnidocytes, each containing a tiny barbed dart loaded with venom. A brush with a box jellyfish is no small matter. Its sting brings immediate, excruciating pain and can lead to heart failure, paralysis, and even death within minutes. Antivenom does exist, but time is of the essence in administering it. So, while its ghostly beauty is mesmerizing, remember to keep your distance. The box jellyfish, a ghostly killer in the waters. Slithering into the second spot is the inland taipan. Also known as the fierce snake, this creature is far from a gentle reptile. Found predominantly in the arid regions of Central East Australia, this snake has adapted perfectly to the harsh, unforgiving environment. However, it's not its survival skills that grab our attention, but rather its lethal venom. The inland taipan's venom is the most toxic of any snake on Earth. A single bite from this deadly creature can contain enough venom to kill 100 full-grown men. Its venom is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, which can cause paralysis, and hemotoxins, which can lead to internal bleeding. It's a fast-acting venom that requires immediate medical attention. Yet despite its lethal reputation, the inland taipan is actually quite shy and would rather slither away than confront a threat. But make no mistake, when cornered, it can and will defend itself with deadly precision. The inland taipan, a snake you definitely wouldn't want to cross paths with. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the most poisonous creature on Earth, the golden poison dart frog. Don't let its vibrant colors fool you. This tiny amphibian, hailing from the dense rainforests of Colombia, packs a lethal punch. Its skin secretes a deadly poison, known as batrachotoxin, making it one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. Incredibly, the golden poison dart frog carries enough poison to kill up to 20 adult humans. That's right, 20. Its poison is so potent that indigenous tribes have historically used it to tip their blowgun darts, giving this creature its name. But why so deadly, you ask? Well, it's a survival strategy. This lethal defense mechanism wards off predators, allowing the frog to hop along in relative safety. The golden poison dart frog, a small creature with a lethal punch, truly deserving of the title of the most poisonous creature on Earth.